Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to change your AT&T router to 2.4 GHz in 2025. Step 1. Connect your device to the router and go to your browser. Step 2. Type 192.168.1.254 in the address bar to access the router settings. Step 3. Log in using the admin credentials found on your router label. Step 4. Navigate to Home Network and then Wi-Fi, then Advanced Settings. Step 5. You will see both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options. Step 6. Disable the 5 GHz options if needed, or simply rename the SSID of the 2.4 GHz to distinguish it. Step 7. Save changes and reconnect your smart devices to the 2.4 GHz network. This is useful for devices like smart bulbs or older gadgets that don't support 5 GHz. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.